What if I told you there's a remote job in the YouTube world that lets you get paid to be on camera, build your own personal brand, and learn content creation from people who've generated over 1 billion impressions, and you don't even need your own channel to start? Most people think the only way to make money on YouTube is to start from scratch, spend months grinding, hoping something takes off, and waiting to get monetized. But that's not the only path anymore. There is a shortcut that almost nobody talks about, a real job, a real career path, and it's hiding in plain sight. It's called being a YouTube host. And in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly what that is, how people are getting paid to do it, why it works so well, especially if you're already comfortable on camera, and how you can actually get started. I'm Erin from Side Hustle Mastery. Let's get into it. The big misconception. Most people think YouTube is only about building your own channel, starting from zero, posting consistently, and hoping it eventually turns into something. And while that does work for some people, it's not how most of the money in the YouTube ecosystem is being made right now. In reality, YouTube is a business, and once you start looking at it that way, everything changes. Because businesses don't rely on one person to do everything. They run on teams. You have editors handling the cuts, designers working on thumbnails, people writing scripts, others managing strategy, and then the most visible role of all, the person on camera. That's the part most people overlook because they assume the person they see is always the owner of the channel, but that is not always true. There are entire YouTube channels pulling in hundreds of thousands, sometimes millions of views every month, where the person you see on the screen is higher talent. They're not running the back end, they're not editing, they're not managing uploads, they're showing up, delivering content, and getting paid to do that consistently. And when you zoom out, it actually makes a lot of sense. YouTube has over 2.7 billion monthly users, and more than 500 hours of content are uploaded every minute. That level of demand requires people who can show up and deliver content consistently. So instead of only asking yourself, how do I grow my own channel? There's a better question if your goal is to get paid sooner. How do I become valuable on camera? Because once you can communicate clearly, structure ideas, and hold attention, you're no longer limited to your own audience. You become someone companies can actually use. What a paid YouTube personality actually is. So what does this look like in real life? A paid YouTube personality, also known as a host, is someone whose main job is to show up on camera and deliver content in a clear, structured way. That usually means taking a topic, researching it, or working from a script and explaining it in a way that keeps people watching. But the key difference is you're not doing this on your own channel. You're doing it for a company or brand that already has everything built. They already have an audience, they already know what works, and they have editors handling post-production. Plus, they already have a system for publishing content consistently. So instead of trying to do everything yourself, you are stepping into a defined role. Your job is simple. You show up, communicate clearly, deliver value on camera, and if you can do that consistently, that alone is enough to get paid. How people actually get paid. There isn't just one path. The most direct path is YouTube hosting. This is where companies hire you to be the face of their content. You research topics, write or follow scripts, and get on camera to teach, but you're not doing everything yourself. The team handles editing, thumbnails, publishing, and operations, so you can focus on delivery. If you look at channels like Think Media, they didn't rely on just one person. They brought in hosts who consistently showed up on camera, and those hosts built real personal brands. Some of them now run their own businesses and channels, but they didn't start from zero. They got exposure and experience first. And the same thing is happening across companies running multiple YouTube channels. They're producing content across finance, e-commerce, Shopify, how to start your own entrepreneurial journey, or even how to build your first website, and so much more. And they rely on hosts to keep content consistent. So those hosts are getting paid per video while building real portfolios. From there, this skill expands into other income streams. One of the biggest is UGC, or user-generated content. Brands will pay you to film ads, tutorials, and product demos, and these don't even need to go on your channel. You're simply the person on camera. Then there are brand deals. Even smaller creators are landing these if they communicate well and come across as trustworthy. And once you're confident, you can start freelancing, reaching out directly to companies or agencies that need on-camera talent. Over time, all of this becomes a launch pad. You build skills, confidence, and visibility, and if you want to, you can eventually turn that into your own brand. But now you're not guessing. guessing. You've already done the work, and out of all of these, hosting is the simplest place to start. You don't need to build an audience first. You don't need to learn editing. You don't need to figure out thumbnails, SEO, or how to grow a channel from zero. You're stepping into a system that already works, and your only job is to show up and deliver on camera. And that's exactly why, if you are already comfortable on camera, this is one of the easiest ways to get paid on YouTube right now. How much can you make? All right, let's talk numbers. Most YouTube hosts are paid per video, typically anywhere from 50 to 200 depending on experience and complexity. If you're doing a couple videos a week, you're already making a few $100s a month. If you scale that up to 3 or 4 videos per week, you're looking at $1,000 to $3,000 per month. And this is work you can do from home on your own schedule in a few hours per video. But honestly, the money isn't just one part. The real value is what you're building while getting paid. Your skills, your portfolio, and your ability to turn communication into income. Now, if the YouTube hosting path specifically is something you're interested in, there is a link in the description where you can apply. But I am going to be very direct. This is not for everyone. Do not apply unless you can already do two things well. First, you can get on camera and clearly teach something for 2 to 3 minutes. Not introduce yourself, actually teach something in a way that makes sense and keeps attention. Second, you can write a structured educational script in a Google Doc that someone would actually want to watch all the way through. That's the baseline. If you've never filmed yourself before, this is not for you. If you struggle to explain things clearly, this is not for you. And if you need someone to walk you through every step, this is definitely not for you. But if you can already communicate clearly, if you can structure ideas, and you want consistent paid reps while building a real portfolio, then go apply using the link down below. What actually gets you hired? Okay, so now you're probably thinking, this sounds great, but what does it actually take to get hired as a YouTube host? I want to be real with you. Not everyone is cut out for this, and that's exactly what makes it a great opportunity, because if you are the right fit, the competition is surprisingly low. All right, so here's what companies look for. Strong on-camera presence. You don't need to be a professional TV host, but you need to be comfortable talking to a camera clearly and confidently. Energy definitely matters. If you sound monotone and bored, viewers are going to click off the video, and the company knows that. Ability to script educational content. So this isn't vlogging. You're not just turning on a camera and talking about your day. You're researching a topic, organizing information, and writing a script that teaches someone something valuable in 8 to 15 minutes. That takes a lot of time, structure, clarity, and the ability to explain complex things simply. Prior YouTube experience is definitely a plus. If you already have a channel, even a small one, that shows you understand how YouTube works. You know about hooks, retention, pacing, CTAs, and that gives you a huge edge. Initiative and reliability. This is a real job with real deadlines. Companies need hosts who show up, deliver on time, communicate clearly, and don't need to be micromanaged. If you're the kind of person who takes ownership of their work and doesn't need someone chasing you down for every deliverable, you'll stand out immediately. Willingness to learn and take feedback. The best hosts are the ones who get better every single video. They take notes from their mentors, they watch their own footage back, and they really study what's working on the channel. That growth mindset is more important than any level of experience. How to position yourself. If you're not there yet, this is what you do. You start getting reps. Most people avoid this, but you need to start filming yourself, even if it's just practice. Then you create a few sample videos where you're teaching something clearly, not for views, but for proof. Pick a niche and focus on getting good at explaining that one thing. You study people who are already good at this and pay attention to how they structure content. And then you actually put yourself out there. You apply, you reach out, you send your work, because that's where most people stop and why they never get results. What this looks like in real life. There are companies right now running multiple YouTube channels with full systems already in place. What they need is someone who can show up and deliver content. You film, you get feedback, you improve, then you get paid. That's the loop, and the reason this matters right now is because more companies are building YouTube channels every month, which means the demand for people who can show up on camera and deliver content is only increasing. The real advantage. This is why this path works so well. You're learning inside an environment where content is already being produced consistently and also improved over time. You're getting direct feedback on how you communicate, how you explain ideas, and how you hold attention. And most importantly, you are getting your reps in. And that's what builds everything: your confidence, your clarity, and your ability to deliver. And those skills don't just stay on YouTube, they transfer into everything you do, whether that's marketing, sales, content, or business. And once you can communicate clearly on camera, that becomes a skill you can get paid for in multiple ways. What to do next? If you're serious about this, here's what I would do. Film a 2 to 3 minute video of yourself teaching something. Write one full YouTube script in a Google Doc, pick a niche and focus on it. Start applying or reaching out to channels and keep practicing, because the people who win here aren't the most talented, they're the ones who keep showing up. If you're good on camera and you've been trying to figure out how to actually turn that into income, this is one of the easiest ways to start. If you want to apply to become a YouTube host, check the link in the description below, submit your sample and your script, and show what you can do. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe. I'm Erin from Side Hustle Mastery. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.